Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you the progress of the construction of our house. And as you can see, right in this area would be our main entrance. And right as you step inside, there would be a little receiving area. On the left side would be the staircase going to the rooms at the second floor. So we really designed this house to have really lots of natural light. So maybe you'll notice in this video that there are lots of windows and open spaces. Under the stairs would be our powder room for our guests. And in this little area would be a couch, again for receiving guests. And the right side of the ground floor would be the two guest rooms. Each room is around 14 to 15 square meters big. And each room also has huge windows so that there would be like natural light coming in. Both rooms also have their own toilet and bath. So there's still a lot of things that needs to be done in both rooms, as you guys can see. So over here is the open design concept, wherein the living room, dining room, and kitchen are all in one space. And since the area isn't that big, our architect designed this room to have higher ceilings to make the room actually look bigger and more spacious. Right outside our dining area is our terrace, and it's readily accessible from the inside. We really wanted our terrace to be quite spacious so that it will be a place for us to relax and chill, especially that it gives a good view to the outside. Now let's go to our dirty kitchen. Now let's go upstairs and see the master's bedroom. So the master's bedroom has its own walk-in closet and toilet and bath. And you guys can see that construction is still ongoing in this area. We do not yet have a roof, and they said that completion of the roof would take around 2 to 3 weeks. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed our little house tour, and please don't forget to subscribe and comment down below any suggestions or whatever you want to see on our next videos, especially on our house construction episodes.
Down by the sea, at the edge of the